Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the September Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month and it includes 2 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to 2 recipe cards, and these are double page layouts that our design team designs for you. And then they give you a color photograph of the finished layout and their cutting and assembly instructions, so you can create right along with our talented design team. You also, as a subscriber, have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for the Scrap Room subscribers. And this month is this one, By the Lake. So perfect for the end of the summer, going into fall. So I know you're going to love that file. Our 2 collections this month are Bella Boulevard Birthday Bash and Simple Stories Simple Vintage Essentials. So we have a bright birthday collection and kind of a vintage heritage collection. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you everything that you're getting this month. We're going to look at the Birthday Bash collection first. So this is from Bella Boulevard. It has their bright colors, but this is really fun because even though you see all the bright primaries, we have aqua and the pinks, and it's just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 1 sheet of sapphire cardstock and 2 sheets of white. Then for your patterned paper, we have this one, Amazing You, which is all of the stars. This would be cute to fussy cut some of those. The back is a 2-toned turquoise with stars. Then we have HBD, so Happy Birthday Song, which is a tone-on-tone orange. Musical notes. The back is polka dots with all of the different colors. This one's called Burst, so it has all of those bright primary colors along with the aquas. And the back is a text that says Happy Birthday to You over and over again. So lots of really fun pattern paper there. For the embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the icons and word ephemeras. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but it will be something similar to this. So you're going to get some that are the words and then some that are the icons. You're also going to get a third a pack of sequins. So I'll try to get that where it's not glaring. So there's florals and stars and squares and circles and all of the fun colors. So that is Birthday Bash from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is the Simple Vintage Essentials from Simple Stories. And so this is a great heritage collection or just vintage photos or just a play on stuff. I also think about museums and stuff. When my kids were little, we went to a lot of museums. I think this would be great for some of those, or documenting your guides. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, a sheet of walnut cream cardstock, and then your 3 pattern papers are this one called Little Details, which has the grid design and it's layered on like this text parchment and this paper back behind here. Just multimedia, all done for you. The back is this beautiful botanical print on a ledger. Then we have this one, Authentic, and this one is all of the rulers. So again, it has that vintage feel, but this would be great for the guys in your life as well. The back is a great background print with the numbers on the side and stuff and just that taupe kind of color. This is Vintage Tidbits. So this is all of the little tickets and stubs. A lot of fun. Again, perfect for your guys. The back is a black ledger. So hopefully those lines will show up. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/4 a sheet of the bingo cards. So that's 3 little bingo cards. The back is kind of a parchment paper. So you could use either side of that. You're also going to get 1 of the sticker sheets. So these will vary. Your bingo cards will vary. Your embellishments will vary. So I got the ones with lots of little words and phrases. You're also going to get a mixture of the botanical and bits ephemera pieces. So there are some of the botanical florals and butterflies. I got a Cameron, some photo corners, and a little packet here. So again, all of the embellishments will vary, but that's a good representation. So that's Simple Vintage Essentials from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the stores, as well as individual items. So we have a larger kit, the Flavors of the Month, which includes 4 collections. We have Shots of Life, we have card kits, just a little bit of everything. So be sure to check all that out, and check out the challenges on the Facebook group and everything that everybody's creating. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.